Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Wells Fargo account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Wells Fargo bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address wellsfargo.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Wells Fargo. Now in order to log into your account from over here, you can see there are a lot of account types over here, from personal to investing and wealth management, small business, commercial banking. You can see there is a login page for each of these account types. We'll be just personal going to the personal. So, and after choosing your account type on the Wells Fargo bank, enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here guys, with which you had created an account on Wells Fargo. But if you've forgotten your username or your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot username or password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the sign on button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Wells Fargo account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.